Hello friends, so this is a little devlog for a game I've been working on for the past 3 days, and well, I guess it's better just to load it. So it's gonna be a kind of Pokemon style game. As you can see, I have Brendan from Generation 3, and yeah, so nothing really big, it's just a simple tile engine, but yeah, I'm using Libgdx, but I didn't really want to learn Libgdx API, so I basically just learned how to render, and I haven't really looked at much since. I mean, I'm using their text rendering system as well, and the loading of all this, obviously, and the camera, but I didn't really want to be bothered to learn anything else. So, I mean, there's probably better ways to do everything I've done here, but I didn't want to take the time. I just made most of this stuff myself. But so I don't know, it's not really much to show, but you can go to the other map. It's the exact same map. It's just I wanted to test teleports, so that works. But the plan is to be like I found these sprites and they're really cool. And supposedly I can use them, but I'll have to look at the license. But they're like these Pokemon kind of sprites, and they look really awesome. So yeah, can I show? I don't know, but I think this is supposed to be a legendary one, and there's another one. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Yeah, this guy. So I'm really excited about that. But the reason I'm using these is because I am the farthest thing from an artist. So whatever. So this is supposed to be like a kind of summer project. So hopefully I can get that done, because I want to make something this summer, and I want to get a good bit of it done by the end of the summer. And I thought this might be a little cool thing to show my progress every once in a while. But I just implemented this loading feature, so while it's loading these two tile maps, it's actually loading a lot of stuff to do with the tile maps. I have 2 layers for the tile map. I'll just show you tile map class quickly. So yeah, that's just all it does. So yeah, I have 2 layers. So this is the second layer, which is overlaid on top of it to allow like the grass to be rendered below it, so it looks normal and it's not just pitch black below certain tiles. And then there's the regular layer, which just has a bunch. It'll have the tiles that don't need to have something under it. So like, but I mean, I can add more layers if I need to. But yeah. So this is the bottom layer with the grass, and this is rendered on top of it. And I'm just reading the hex data, or not the hex data, but the integer value of these through a pix map. Which yeah, I had to learn how to do that, but it wasn't hard. But so it's just read through that, and it's organized into an array, and it loops through it every time it needs to render. And this one is the collision, so you see everything that can be collided with is on here, and so is the house. You can see that outline, so that's what it checks for collision data. And oh, I think I just took a screenshot. Whatever. So that's how that does it. And while it's doing this, I guess I just got off on a tangent. While it's doing this, it just displays this loading thing, which is, it puts the tile map rendering, it puts the tile map loading on another thread, so I can display like a loading message, which I'll probably put some like funny quotes on there or something. Maybe the Office quotes, because I like the Office. So I just did that today, which was actually pretty cool, because I'd never really done something like that. But so I guess that's really all there is to it. I really like these sprites. I got the tile sheet from the same places I got the Pokemon kind of sprites. So I'll put links to these in the description, because I think they're really cool. Both the tiles and monsters, as they're called. So, yeah, that's really it for now. I don't know what I'm going to work on next. Maybe I'll start implementing some kind of battling. I don't know. I don't know. But this is the very basics, and I think it looks quite good. I mean, the art definitely has something to do with it. But I think for just a few days, it's quite a good amount of work. And yeah, I'll definitely get down to replacing this sprite, but it works for now. So yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully there'll be a new one of these soon. Bye.